Hello, welcome to this video. In this Python video we're going to look at how I can write some code to help me with my students' vocabulary and grammar. So when I teach some students I use Zoom, and I can save the information from Zoom into these folders here. For example, you can see here there's the student Vera, another student Daniel, another student Gennady. What I want to do is I want to take the information from each lesson for each student and put it into one document. For example, let's say here's Vera's. I want to open up the information from this meeting. That's all the information from that meeting. Copy and then paste it into one document. Boom. And then I come back. And where's the next Vera? Daniel, Constantine, Vera. Open up the next one. Boom. Copy and paste. Boom. So I can do this using my mouse, but to do it for every lesson with Vera, and then every lesson with Constantine, and then every lesson with Gennady, I can automate this process using Python. So what's the first thing that I need to do to automate this process? The first thing I need to do is look at the file name and see if the file name has Vera. If the file name has Vera, I want to open the file. So let's take, for example, this one here and put it here. Let's call this, let's make a string. Okay, so that will be string 1. Can be the name of that first file. And then string 2 can be the name of the next file. But what we want to do now is find out how can we use Python to see if the word Vera is in a string. Python find a word in a string. Click on the first one. And there it is. There's some code. Let's play. There's the string that I ever did see. Dusty is the handle on the door. Let's copy that as usual. Okay, so we have our string in there. Come back. Index equals s.find Dusty. Okay, 21. Let's have a look. So we can see there's the string s.find. I think that's straightforward. Dusty, there it is. Print index. Okay, that's actually the same. If I just go print and then I have this, it's the same. As you'll see, bang, 21, 21. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2. Okay, so you can see that when we use s.find, it tells us where that word is. So as always, try and play. Let's do the same thing. Let's print s.find, but not Dusty. Let's see ever. Where's ever? No, let's do that. Let's do the first one. That. Boom, 0. Okay, in Python it starts from 0. Let's do one more. Let's do ever. Let's go ever. 7. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and what happens if we try and print a word that's not there? So let's go. Let's write booger. Booger. That word's not there. Oh, we get -1. Let's do one word. One more. Dog. Is there a dog? No. Boom. -1. Okay, that's cool. So if it's -1, it means the word's not there. Where's our code? Close that. Okay, string. There's our string 1, string 2. Let's try it with our strings. Okay, S. So we don't want S because we have string 1. And we don't want Dusty, we want Vera. Okay. And then let's see if string 1 F -1. Cool. That's because it's not there. What about the next one there? It's not in string 2 either, so let's change it to string 2. Run it, -1. And then string 3, this one should give us something. Where is it? Let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, around about 20. Let's run that. 20. Okay. So that's how we can find if our string has Vieta.